So the name Bosque means it's the little wood, the little forest. And from ancient time, the gods were living in the Bosque. So it means, it just describes a place of peace and of harmony. So therefore we choose the name Bosque. The idea behind the perfume, it's a perfume about contentment. It's the idea that if you love a person very much and you just spend the time with this person, you feel totally content. You have the feeling you arrived and you spend time together, so it's like being in a bosque, in a little forest. And the composition about the perfume is, there is a very strong buffalo grass note in, which makes it a little bit of a vanilla touch. Then we have a touch of primrose, the flower primrose, Primula veris, which is a sign for and a symbol for contentment in iconography. And we have Narcisse absolue, which gives it a little floral note. And there is a touch of warm skin, so you have the feeling, if you smell this, you're really close to a very soft and intense person. And it's rounded up with saffron notes and vetiver, so it gives it also a very yellow touch.